Straight Talk offers three primary methods to monitor your data usage. The Straight Talk app, available on iOS and Android, provides detailed usage breakdowns, historical data, and customizable alerts. The text command involves sending balance to 611611 to receive an instant SMS update on your current data usage. Widgets offer a quick glance at your data directly from your home screen. Using these methods is crucial to avoid overages or throttling, especially with Straight Talk's unlimited plans that may deprioritize data after a certain threshold. To use the Straight Talk app, first, download it from your App Store. Once installed, create an account using your Straight Talk phone number and verify via SMS. Navigate to the Usage tab to view your data consumption details. For the text command, send balance to 611611 and read the SMS reply for your usage. To add a widget on Android, long press your home screen, select Widgets, and choose the Straight Talk widget. On iOS, use the Today view in Notification Center or add to home screen via Shortcuts app integration. A key tip: set up alerts in the app to notify you when approaching your data limit. Data accuracy relies on your SIM card and account information, updated regularly by Straight Talk.